Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. In this video we are going to look at how to use Desmos to input inverse trig functions. So this is just an example problem where we are given two side lengths right here, 10 and 7, based off this angle, which is just the Greek letter theta, which is often used to represent an angle measure in math. So based on theta as our reference angle, 7 is the opposite side, 10 is the adjacent. So if we're going to utilize opposite and adjacent using SOHCAHTOA, TOA would be the one that would match. That means tangent is the opposite over adjacent. So our setup would look like this. The tangent of theta, that's the angle, all right, is equal to the opposite side over the adjacent side. Now in the previous video that you should have watched, you would have seen how to take the inverse of each side. So this is what we need to end up putting in the calculator. If you have a TI calculator, that shouldn't be too terrible. You can do it just like I did on the previous video. But if you need to utilize Desmos, this is the process. So here we go. We're going to go to desmos.com. All right. You'll click Start Graphing. And then from there, the first thing that we need to do, just like before, is go to this little wrench over here and make sure we're in the proper mode. So you can see down at the bottom, we're in radian mode. We need to be in degrees. So I'm going to click on degrees. And then we want to input the tangent, inverse tangent being 7 over 10. So to do that, you're going to click down on this little keyboard. You're going to go to functions. And then instead of inputting sine, cosine, and tangent like we did before, we're utilizing the inverse in this case, which is right next to them. So right here. Okay, so in this case, it's the inverse tangent. And then we're just going to do 7 divided by 10. And this answer, 34.99, represents an angle measure. So your answer should be 34.99 degrees. In this case, it is unique if you were asked to round to the nearest tenth, which would be this first digit after the decimal, since that's a 9, and the digit that is next to it is a 9, something higher than 5. This would actually bump it up to an even 35 degrees if you had to round to the nearest tenth. That's it. Thank you.